Look at this. I am not typing anything, but the data is being added automatically. This is the power of Python. Today on Naga Automates, we are moving to the cloud. We will learn how to read and write data to Google Sheets using the Gspread library. First, we need to enable the Google Sheet API and Google Drive API. Then we will download credential.json. Also, we can share our Google Sheet with the client email. So, firstly, go to console.google.cloud, click on new project. Give a name and create the project. Click on API and services. Enable Sheets API. Enable Drive API. Click on credential. Click on service account. Give a name whatever you want. Click on project name and click on keys. Create a new key, download. Copy the client email from the JSON file. Go to Google Sheets. Click on blank or existing one. Rename whatever you want. I give my name. Paste here and send. First, install required libraries. Import Gspread and service account credentials. These libraries help Python talk to Google Sheets securely. Next, I define the scope. This tells Google what permission my script needs. Access to Sheets and Google Drive. Now I load the credentials from a JSON file. This JSON file just we downloaded from Google Cloud. After that, I authorize the client using gspread.authorize. If everything is correct, Python is now connected to Google. Here I open Google Sheet by name and select the first sheet. Make sure the sheet name exactly matches what you see in Google Sheets. Now I read all data using get all records and print it. This converts the sheet data into Python dictionaries. Next, I add a new row using append row. This is how we can automatically add subscribers, logs or reports. Here you can use loop for more rows. Finally, I read a specific cell value using row and column numbers. Save it, run the script. Boom, it appears on the website instantly. You can use this to build inventory systems or form collections. Code is in the description. Subscribe for more. Freelancers tip. People are paying $50 to $100 on Upwork just to set up this simple script for their business. Master this skill and you can start earning from Python today.